Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to delete malware without antivirus. So the first thing that we are going to do is to go into our search bar and then search for CMD. Now after that, run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then we're going to type sfc /scan now. After that, Windows will scan for your system, so all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. Now, while it is verifying, what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for run, and then click on open. And then what we're going to do here is to type temp first, and then click on OK. After that, just select all of the files right here, or just press Ctrl A on your keyboard, and then click on delete, and then click on do this for all current items, and then click on skip, and then click on skip once again. After that, close this, and then open run once again, and then we're going to put now prefetch, and then click on OK. After that, click on continue. Now in this part, we're going to select all of the files once again, and then just delete it, and then click on do this for all current items, and then click on skip. And then once it is done, just close this. And then what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for Windows Security, and then click on open. And then in this part, click on virus, and then just scroll down and then make sure that all of your protections are turned on. So make sure that real-time protection is turned on, and then all of this as well. So once you do that, what we're going to do next is we want to make sure that virus and threat protection updates are on the latest version. So click on check for updates right here. And then if there are available updates, just update it. And then once it is done, what we're going to do next is to go here on the scan options, and then just run a Microsoft Defender antivirus, which is an offline scan. So this scan will scan your entire system, even when your laptop is turned off. So all you have to do is to select that and then click on scan now. So once you click on scan now, your PC will turn off, and then all you have to do is to wait for Windows Defender scan to finish. And then after that, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.